Hello, this is Vik. In this video, I will say post revisions. Here I'll edit this previous article. Here, if I see, I have almost 15 revisions. If I click on this browse button, we can see these revisions. Or else, if I scroll a little bit, we can see all these revisions. I have enabled this revisions panel from screen options. You can enable and disable this revisions. That is revisions panel box. If I uncheck this revisions panel will be disappeared, and if I enable it back, this revisions will be displayed. Here you can see the time, date and time this revision is saved, and auto save all these options, and you can go back to these revisions by clicking on a browse, and here we'll have a slider with these options. This is the latest post with the anchor link, and here we don't have any anchor link. You can see the differences with these highlights, and you can go back with this slider. Here I have applied strong tags and italic. Here I have added a more. Here we don't have a more tag. Also, if we scroll down, you can see here we have more tag, more. It's a HR to more and a HR tag. Here we have a lot of differences from this version to this version. You can see the timing also. Here also I have copied this content. Here you can see all these differences, and I can compare it to versions by just clicking on compare, and I just want to compare latest version with this first version. You can see all these differences, and for multiple people are working, you can select versions based on different people, and I can compare it to the different version. If there is any major differences, we can combine them. Otherwise, to restore to a previous version, I can just click on restore to this version, and it will be restored. Here it's with the anchor link, without anchor link. Here I'll restore to this version without anchor link. If I reload this page, this anchor link is disappeared. This anchor link is disappeared, and I have restored it to previous version. Previously we have 15 and now we have 16. You can access the latest version also with the anchor link. You can restore it anytime. These are all the benefits of post revisions, and if you want to limit these post revisions, you can add a simple code in a WP config, or you can use the plugins to limit these post revisions to 5 or 10 based on your requirement, and based on the articles you can limit this revisions in a database. It will create a new record for every revision in a database. For now I'm going to all posts